Next song is called Gulabo. Gulabo is a song that has gained me slight popularity back home in Kashmir, and it's written by Athar Zia, who is a gender studies professor at the University of Columbia. And song talks about how the flowers have sent me a bouquet of roses as a metaphor for hope in the desolated city of Kashmir. Those of you who know, please hum along, sing along, yeah? Gulabo, Gulabo suzmit akdal yatvaran shahrasmaz Yakin guns gay benal yatvaran shahrasmaz Onun brohum bes manzar Kwan chumlalvan yeten jehlam Onun brohum bes manzar Kwan chumlalvan yeten jehlam Dalan zanbeb kod nassan yatvaran shahrasmaz Tem dopanam azit kad thasakh yatvaran shahrasmaz Sathagom kal chus praran uchum kainat khabasm Sathagom kal chus praran uchum kainat khabasm Anan chashmandivan chus zal Yatvaran shahrasmaz Aynan chashmandivan chusizar Yatvaran shahrasmaz Tem dopanam azit kad thasakh Yatvaran shahrasmaz Yatvaran shahrasmaz Yatvaran shahrasmaz Yatvaran shahrasmaz Yatvaran shahrasmaz Suzmit akdal वो रौनक। बहुत शुक्रिया।